TikTok straight from the bomb shelter. In Ukraine, millions of people had to leave their normal lives behind. One of them is 18-year-old TikToker Zwenislawa Libowicka. 2 weeks ago, she was lip-syncing to her favorite songs. Now she's documenting her life during wartime, and sometimes millions of people are watching. For the first time, TikTok is being used to this extent to tell tales from war. Viewers get a whole new perspective on what's happening in Ukraine. What role can TikTok play for us users?
My name is Zwenislawa Libowicka. I am 18 years old. I am from Kyiv, but I study in Western Ukraine sociology, second-year sociology student. And until 13 days ago, since the war has started, I lived a normal life.
Zwenislawa Libowicka studies in Lviv in Western Ukraine. She's been using TikTok since 2020, trying to produce a click hit with travel videos and dance challenges. On platforms like YouTube, Facebook and Insta, producers need lots of clicks or followers to reach a large audience. TikTok's algorithm is designed so that any video from any user can go viral by randomly making it to the For You page, every user's central feed. Since the war started, Zwenislawa Libowicka has been using the platform for other content, and the algorithm makes sure her videos are being noticed.
When the war started, I realized that TikTok is kind of powerful, and TikTok is a powerful tool to spread the awareness. And I saw a lot of people not knowing what really is happening in Ukraine. And then I saw that it started getting views, and I was like, okay, so TikTok is promoting this. TikTok is putting this on For You page for other people. Okay, so what can I tell more? And then I showed this video that went viral. I showed how my day as a Ukrainian in Lviv during war looked like, and it got like more than 400,000 views. And I realized that, okay, TikTok's promoting that. I can work with that.
TikTok is not actively promoting Ukraine-related content, but since people are searching for it, the algorithm is showing more of it. Even during war, the videos of Zwenislawa Libowicka and other Ukrainian TikTokers stick to the aesthetics of the platform. Snappy, sometimes decontextualized with catchy music. Many TikToks are produced quite simply. They're often raw and unpolished, breathing authenticity. And they follow current styles on TikTok. Some are humorous, despite all odds. The invasion of Ukraine is not the first war to be broadcast on social media. The Arab Spring was very visible on Facebook, as was the takeover of the Taliban in Afghanistan. But this time, there's smartphones with even better cameras geared for streaming. And TikTok has a special way of spreading content. The algorithm makes sure that content that is being searched for and watched by users will get more reach, even if the producers haven't had a viral hit before. So everybody has a chance to possibly reach a mass audience. With its authentic style, TikTok has changed our perception of war.
It's humanizing the war in a sense, like bring you closer the stories that are happening on the ground, bring you closer the experiences of people that are living in this situation. And that makes you aware or makes you more prone to want to help.
We as users should always remind ourselves that videos on TikTok and other platforms are not being curated or verified. The content does not always show what's really happening. And TikTok, like other platforms, is not willing to delete misinformation. Even authentic videos show a subjective perspective or present someone's point of view. For a broader picture, we should turn to journalistic sources. Zwenislawa Libowicka is well aware of her role as someone who shapes opinions.
In the 21st century, it's not only about big guns and weapons and fighting physical, it's also about the informational war. So this is my main motivation, to help my country win informational war, and this is basically my volunteering that I do right now.
What do you think? Do TikTok and other social media change the way you perceive the war? And how big is the impact of social media in this context? See you again next time. Bye-bye.